take this cover off, you want to take all these push pins off. Just use a trim tool, pop the center part up, and then underneath the rest of it. Do the same with the other ones. Now take this cover off. Take this bolt out, use a 10mm socket. Now there's plastic retainers that hold the grille on. Use a Phillips head screwdriver and just push and twist. You only have to twist it a little bit. See how that's loose? There's another one down here. That should be loose. And over here. That one's loose, and over here. That's all loose. Now just grab the trim. Now you have to just pull it out over here. Now with all those loose, then just grab this panel right here and just pull straight forward, just like that. If you struggle with getting your fingers in there, you can pull the light out. There's just 2 pins. Pull straight up, pull the light out. Do the same on the other side. Now I'm going to take these 2 lines off. Just take this plastic cover, slide it down. You can use a screwdriver or a pick tool. And then there's a little clip here. Take that clip out, use the pick tool. Slide that clip out. Do the same on this side. And then wiggle these lines off. And slide it out, and do the same for the other side. Here we go. With these lines disconnected from the cooler, now I can use a trim tool and just get underneath here. There's this cover that goes across here. You want to remove that a little bit so that we can get the lines past it. So just push, take this push pin out right here. And if you want to, you can take this one out as well and move this wire. I'll just take this wire off this retainer right there. You can slide this out of the way. That way you can get the lines straight down. Now just take this cap off right here, just like on the cooler, that little cover. And there's a clip there, just use the pick. And slide that clip off. And just grab this line and slide it out. And now these lines are clipped in right here, so take a pick or a screwdriver and just get those out of the clips. Even if you're not doing both of them, just move that one out of the way. And then this is the smaller one. Slide this one out. There we go. And just slide this down. And some fluid's probably going to come out. Just get a drain bucket. And just twist it. And slide it out. Now take the new line and slide it over this cross member, just like this. And start to twist this up. Get this other line out of the way. And twist it in position. All right, lock that in. All right, now take this hose and line that up. I'm gonna lock it in place and then put this retainer over that. Now over here, you wanna put this clip in, put the line through this clip right here. And get that lined up with the cooler. And lock it in. And put this cover over. Now if you're gonna replace that other line, you can do that at this time, or just reinstall the other line. Lock that in place there. And then push these clips back in. Push pin. Slide the wiring harness over here. Push that pin down and push this wiring harness through that clip. Lock it in place. Now take the grille and just slide it in position. Push these clips in on the side. Make sure all these line up. And take a Phillips head screwdriver and just twist these. And there's 4 of them. This just locks it in. Alright, that's good. And take this bolt, get that started, and tighten it down. And put this cover on, line it up, and put all the push pins in. Lock them down.